Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Deadpool Christmas. So we're gonna draw Deadpool with a Christmas hat. It's really simple, easy, completely for beginners. All right. So we are gonna get started. Ooh, it's gonna be an 8-minute video. So stay all the way to the very end, and yeah, you're gonna get that. So let's get started here. Before I do that, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Deadpool, if you like learning how to draw like comic characters or anything else within these 10-minute increments, right? They're all like 10 minutes. If you like that stuff, hit the control and hit the control. Wow, I'm sorry, I don't know why I said that. Hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. That's gonna let you know when I post. All right, I post 3 times a day, so it'll let you know. Okay, let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here and pull line. Let me see, side of the face. 1 second. I'm trying to figure out what kind of expression I want for. Okay, right here, I'm gonna pull down over here for the left side of his face. Over here, find the other side of his face. And they're gonna slightly angle in at the, they're gonna at the bottom there. Go over here, down. Over here, down. And at the bottom for the chin here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the brim of that Christmas hat at the top here, okay? Right here, it's gonna be curved, but it's gonna have this zigzag texture to it. Over here as well. All right. Let's go over here and draw the bottom of the neck. Down right here. Over here on this side. Down right here. I'm gonna pull for the traps. Right there. And right there. That's a trapezius that goes down there. Lines over here. One line here. One line here. That's kind of essentially the muscle there. There's a cord that goes from the back of your ear down called the sternocleidomastoid. So that's kind of what that indicates, right? Going over here, let's go to the eyes. Well, before the eyes, let's do the actual hat. So it doesn't look like he's wearing some sort of like grass on his head. So we're going over here, curve, down, go over here to this side of the hat, pull up. It's like folding into it. I'm gonna pull the rest of the hat over here down, and it's gonna come to like a point right there. Over here this side. And we're gonna do that popcorn ball, but it's gonna be a little bit more jaggedy on this one. Cool. Let's go over here on this side. We're gonna draw his eyes out now, all right? We're gonna go over here on this, and one of them's gonna be bigger than the other. We gotta make him a little quirky. Deadpool's always quirky, so we're going on this side, up. So that's the top portion of the eye. It's gonna be open, more open. Right here. That's one. And we're gonna make this side smaller. Like he's going, what? Right? Like what? One eye's way bigger than the other. Okay. Start over here. Curve over here up. It's gonna keep going up. Down. Go over here downward. Up. All right, that's one side. It's a pattern, right? On his, that's basically his like logo. Okay, out over here. Down underneath. Over here. Cool, cool. Doing good so far, right? You don't. Excuse me, I coughed. Okay, so now we're gonna fill in all the outfit stuff. Okay, I don't know why I just heard something out of my computer. We're gonna go in, and I'm gonna fill this in, the color right here. Just fill in that whole thing in there. Filling that in. Let's go over here this side, same thing, filling that in. Right on. Go over here on this side, down. He has a pattern right here on his shoulder, like a square, and then we're gonna fill that in as well. I actually played the Deadpool video game. It was really good. I'm glad I played it. Go over here for the top of the chest, over here for the top of this chest. Down over here, down over here. And that's pretty much it. The one thing else you can do is you can draw a thicker line at the bottom here to show some sort of value maybe. And that is all. I want to thank you very much for watching. You guys are awesome. Like I said, if you have any other ideas, post them in the comment section. I'll fix that over here. You can post them in the comment section, and I will get to them for sure eventually. Just let me know. That is pretty much it. Also, don't forget to check out the stuff in the description there. There's a lot of cool stuff in there for you to check out. If you want to become a better artist, go check out the stuff in the description. There's another channel I have that I'm going to start posting on a lot as well. It is Easy Things to Draw. I'm going to post it over there. And that's essentially the same. It's the same kind of tutorials, but it's long tutorials. It is like half-hour tutorials where I go through a little bit more, detail-wise of certain characters. So go check that out if you ever have time, if you want to learn a different style. And that is it, okay? We'll talk to you later, and I will see you very soon. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you say hi right now, I will reply back, okay? I reply to every single comment, all right? So I want you to keep it easy and keep it nice, and I will see you later, all right?